So learn to manage your family also. बेटा IAS बनोगे, IPS का ambitions है, revenue से भी ambitions है. You can't say Papa Mama are trolling you at home. My suggestion to all of you in general, मैंने बताया हुआ है, don't get into two examinations at the same time. At least not when your preparation is going on. If you want to focus on the state, then do state and then think about UPSC. अगर आपका UPSC focus है, then my suggestion is give one mains properly, or at least have a confidence that my mains is in some control. Then go for the state examination. Otherwise, you'll always be struggling between the dates and the disruptions because of that. Okay, I think all of you in the class, आपका primary focus क्या है? सिलसिले UPSC वाला है. इसी पे time दो ना अपने आप को. Give yourself 1 or 2 years time on it. Does take time. पूरा course completion में one cycle is at least 1.5 years. Finish proper preparation. Okay, एक बार roots बन गया ठीक से, then go do whatever you want to do. Then you can give examinations of different states. Even RBI is good enough, not bad. ठीक है, but एक साथ दोनों ना करो. And one common concern that comes to me always is कि parents का pressure है. बेटा IAS बनोगे, IPS का ambitions है, revenue से भी ambitions है. You can't say Papa Mama are trolling you at home. Okay, ठीक है, पापा मामा है, उनको समझाओ, वो भी आपका काम है. Okay, you are a bureaucrat and you come and tell me pressure है, साइन कर देने, कहीं भी साइन कर दोगे क्या? पापा ने कहा साइन कर दे, मेरे चाचा के बेटे को लोन चाहिए तो दे देते हैं. This is a very, very bad excuse now. Learn to manage that. You understand the examination. You understand your own competencies and limits. You understand what you're capable of. Exam का nature आपको पता है, तो it's your responsibility कि घर में आप समझाएं कि पापा ये आपसे ना हो पाएगा, आप साइड हटो. Okay? I mean, there are different ways to say it. ये ना बेटी बाप को बोल सकती है, बेटा नहीं बोल पाएगा. In most houses, the daughter can tell this to the father, और father चुपचाप सुन के निकल भी जाएंगे. बेटा अगर बोल दिया, okay, that's a direct ego clash. और बेटा तो मम्मी को कुछ भी बोल सकता है. Okay, वो हैंगर बेलन से काम चलता है लाइफ में, वो चलता रहेगा. Okay, so learn to manage your family also. Okay, but do not do things just because your parents tell you. Okay, let them not decide your attempts. Let them not decide what topic of syllabus you must read and what you must not read. उसके लिए हम लोग हैं. Okay, वैसे भी unemployed रहते हैं हम लोग, otherwise come and talk to us. Parents will not decide your preparation schedule, which exam to give. If you're succumbing in that, then bachche, you don't deserve to be in this career choice. Okay. If you are even 5-6 years gap ho jata hai, people will not understand the examination trend kaise change hua. I have students in the class abhi baithe hue ho. Your parents are civil servants and they give the examination aaj se 20-30 saal pehle diya tha examination. Aaj bahut different hai. So they can't decide your preparation choices and your process. So don't let them influence you. But ये ध्यान रखो, 2 examinations same time में आप prepare नहीं कर सकते. Make a choice, and that's entirely your call. You want to do what? But अगर UPSC के लिए आए हो, then do justice to it. And my experience tells me, अगर UPSC control में है, the state services are relatively more manageable. I'm not saying it's easy because the questions का level in UPPCS Rajasthan is also a fairly good level now. Okay, it's not that आप कुछ भी लिख के आ जाएंगे आपको मार्क्स में, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, और जहां पर the frequency of examination is not as good, ठीक है, do what you can do, but please don't get into 2 type of examinations. That is dangerous. वही है यार, CDS देना है, CPS सब कुछ देना है examination, so you are making an experiment on yourself. Okay, don't do that. एक mains के लिए preparation ठीक कर लो पहले. At least ensure that you have put good efforts in one good prelims. Not every attempt of prelims is a good attempt. Many of you give the examination for the sake of trial. आई एम स्ट्रिक्टली अगेंस्ट दैट. इस गेम में देयर इज नो ट्रायल अटेम्प्ट. रिमेंबर दिस. आप जब भी अटेम्प्ट दो, योर अटेम्प्ट हैज टू बी 100% ओके इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड प्रिपरेशन के बाद में. नो ट्रायल. ट्रायल करना है टेस्ट सीरीज करो, ट्रायल करना है सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन में प्रैक्टिस करो, बट नो ट्रायल इन अटेम्प्ट्स. बिकॉज in attempts, every time you give a trial and you don't qualify or succeed, it is very, very demotivating. You will question. आपको पता होगा कि मेरा qualify नहीं होगा. When the result आएगा, you will be equally devastated. Okay, so ये trial वाला कहानी में समझ में नहीं आता. Some of you give examinations, सर एक idea क्या करना है यार इसमें? Okay, क्या idea करना है? इसलिए like एक idea करते हैं, ट्रेन जब चढ़ती है तो कैसा लगता है? Let me try that. Oh, why this? You want to fly a plane, you fly a proper plane. ट्रायल के लिए बोइंग में बैठ गए, चले गए ऊपर, अब पता नहीं उतरना कैसे है टाइप्स. Okay, don't do that. That's a bad choice according to me.